Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Sketch City Body Shop. I have the MV Tuning, I guess the splitter kit, the splitter arrow kit, I guess is what I have here. I did an unboxing video. It was garbage. The video was terrible. Was not good at all. I will link the video to ABC Garage, to his MV Tuning unboxing, because mine basically the same thing, smells and all. Is the exact same reaction. But I have the splitter kit, which is a little bit more low profile than the kit with the fangs and the bigger, higher side skirts and stuff. This is just a splitter kit. So I got the side splitters and the front splitter. And today I'm going to be painting it. Yes, this is upside down, so just use your imagination. This is the MV Tuning 3rd Gen Mazda 6 kit that we are using. So we should gonna be good to go there. So of course, this is in my garage. This is gonna be DIY like everything else. So today, we're only gonna be using the finest of fine materials. Krylon Color Max Gloss Black with the Krylon Color Max Gloss Crystal Clear. So without further ado, what is my gimbal doing? What in the world? Without further ado, we're going to get this started. I'm going to place y'all on the tripod. Hopefully y'all catch footage, because right now my gimbal is going crazy. I'm not understanding what the problem is. It just keeps doing whatever it wants to do. So a lot of this will be time lapse, and then I'll let y'all see what it looks like when it's all done. Alright, so that's the first light coat done. We're going to go ahead and do a second light coat. Alright, so I'm almost out of paint, so I'm going to let this dry for just a second so that I can see if there's any like really terrible blotchy spots, and then we're going to fog it, let it dry for about 10 minutes, and then we're going to hit it with the clear, and we're going to see what it looks like afterwards. I got a little bit of black left, and then hit it with the clear. So I'm gonna have to go get some more paint, maybe another can or two, because this ain't gonna make it. We're not gonna make it. So let me run to the store. All right, I got 2 more cans. Let's go ahead and try to knock this out. Alright, and that's the wet coat, and it looks like most of the blotchiness is out of it. It looks really smooth. It looks really smooth and even and everything. So I'm gonna let that dry for a moment, and I'm gonna hit it with the clear. Alright, so the paint is a little tacky. We're gonna take this gloss crystal clear and we're gonna spray it. And what it looked like at the end is what it looked like. Alright, we're going to do one more coat of clear. We're going to wait about 10 minutes after that, and then we're going to sit it out in the sun. It is what it is, because ain't no more clear. So it's gonna look how it's gonna look. Round and round we go. Round and round we go. But it looks okay. I don't know if it's in focus. I don't know nothing. Hey, it looks decent for a router can job. It looks decent. You know, I don't expect professional results out of a can. It's not focusing. Why are you not focusing? It don't look like it's focusing anyway. I mean, it looks okay. You know, it's a run here and there. But I mean, for coming out of a can, not bad. Not bad at all. What's going on? We back. So, got the call on the ramps. We got the MV tuning front splitter and side splitters painted. This may be the same video of it being painted. It may be a separate video. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet, but we about to get these bad boys on here and over there. Right now we have the old busted eBay special 3-piece gloss black front lip. This thing here have served its time well. I drive 3,000 miles a month, roughly back and forth to work on the highways. Stuff flings up, hits it, breaks it, you know, whatever. It's not all that thick of a plastic. It's very thin, and it is very, very flexible. So, you know, yours may go fast, mine can go anywhere. I just air that bad boy up and go. Yeah, not really. And then for the side skirts, I have some Amazon Universal, I think it's ABS Dynamics, and that bad boy got more waves than Myrtle Beach. You know, doesn't look bad, but doesn't look great either. So the official MV tuning should solve that issue. I don't know what these angles on this video is about to look like, but this is not going to be so much of an installation video or a how-to video as it just showing me doing it. This is going to be one big fat time lapse. So let's get it. Let's see how it turned out. You can see the comparison, or not, between the MV tuning, which will be on the right, and then the Amazon ABS Dynamics. I guess I could stop calling it Amazon, but the ABS Dynamics Universal Splitter, and then the MV tuning splitter. And then if I put this eBay front lip together, and I am gonna call it an eBay front lip because I don't know who makes it. So you can see the eBay 3-piece front lip versus the MV tuning lip. So I'm gonna do the front lip first. My gimbal is freaking out. I'm gonna do the front first, and then I'll do the side skirts. So the MV tuning instructions, it comes with nuts and bolts, nuts and lock washers, but I'm kind of strapped for time today, so I'm just gonna zip these bad boys up in there with some of them 15 self tappers I just took out. I have all 15 for right now. Alright, so the front lip is on. I guess the front lip took 12 screws because I got 3 left over. And for the side skirt install, you do have to remove the mud flap. Alright, so mud flaps off. Oh no, mud flap and rubbed into my paint. Oh, this is nasty back here. Oh, that's real nasty. Look at all that. Oh, oh, oh. Well, I guess I have a less likelihood of my car rusting right there, I hope. Jesus. Mud flap off. All right, that's all she wrote right there, baby. So, of course, the fit and finish is on the money. You know, but stuff that's made for your vehicle is gonna be on the money. I don't know where this scuff came from. I have to touch that up. But of course, the fit and finish is on the money. Now, ladies and gentlemen, now this installed and the old kit is off, let's have a look at it. But y'all not gonna get a look. Y'all will get a look doing the walk around on next Friday's video. Peace.
Hey, forget about y'all.